I made over $1,000 in just one trading day. And no, I didn't gamble. I didn't get lucky, and I didn't use 20 indicators. This is the exact strategy I used, and I'm going to break it down step by step, so you can try it too. No fluff, just results. Watch till the end. I reveal the setup I'm using tomorrow. Now, before I dive into the charts, let me give you some quick context. This trade happened on insert specific date, and I was watching ticker symbol, e.g. $AAPL or $SPY, after a major news event that caused high volatility. Show news headline, zoom into trading platform, economic calendar screenshot. The market was reacting hard, and that's where opportunity lives. I had my levels marked the night before, my entry rules were clear, and the plan was simple. The strategy breakdown, screen recording of your chart, voiceover or facecam overlaid. Here's the exact setup. I use a price action strategy based on three things: supply and demand zones, volume spikes, and a clean 5-minute chart. That's it. Explain step by step with zoom-ins and annotations. Marking zones. I marked a supply zone here after this massive wick rejected the level twice. That's my first signal. Waiting for confirmation. I didn't jump in. I waited. When price retested the zone and gave a strong bearish engulfing candle with increased volume, that was my entry. Risk reward. Setup. My stop was tight, just above the wick, and my target was 2.5 times the risk. That means I only needed to be right once out of 3 trades to stay profitable. Show before and after trade execution. Include P&L screen, blur, redact account if needed. Results plus lessons, so that one trade netted me a $1,015 profit in under 2 hours. But the real win? I followed the plan. No chasing, no overtrading, just pure strategy. If there's one thing to take from this, it's that consistency beats complexity. Master one setup. Know your risk. Execute with discipline. If you found this helpful, smash that like button. It tells the algorithm to show this to more traders who actually want to learn. And if you want me to break down this strategy in real time, subscribe and turn on notifications. I'll be trading this setup live next week. Drop a comment if you want the exact watch list I used. I'll send it to a few people personally. Subscribe for real-time breakdowns. Comment "Send watch list" below.